Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn paragraph writing. So, first is that what is a paragraph? Paragraph it is a cluster of sentences grouped under one topic. That means paragraph describe one single theme, matter, or one subject. The first sentence of the paragraph defines its purpose as a whole in a summary. The other remaining sentences serve to support the topic of sentence into conclusion. A paragraph contains at least 5 sentences. The first is the topic sentence. At least there should be 3 supporting sentences, and the last sentence is the concluding sentence, which gives conclusion. Elements. There are 4 elements of a paragraph writing. These are unity, order, coherence, and completeness. So, what is unity? Unity, that means the entire paragraph should be focused on a single idea and focus on central topic. Order means the sentences should be arranged in proper sequence to express clear meaning and to avoid confusion. Third, coherence. Coherence, like sentences need to connect each other and work together as a whole. Transitory words, which are called adding words, like for order, for second, for spat, it is above, below, for logic, further, furthersome, in addition. That creates a breeze between the sentences, one sentence to the next sentence. And last is that completeness. All the sentences of a well developed paragraph should support the main idea. Kinds of paragraph. Generally, paragraphs are written in 4 kinds. Descriptive. It describes something and shows the readers what the thing is. It appeals to the 5 sense organs. Narrative, that it narrates a story. Expository, that explains something or provide instructions. And persuasive paragraph tries to convince the readers on a particular point. Now, here is a specimen of a paragraph. Topic is time is money. I am reading the paragraph. Life is a journey traveled on the highways of time. Therefore, time is precious. Every moment in life should be properly utilized, as time once lost can never be recovered. There is no way to stop the hands of time from ticking. Hence, right from the childhood, one should learn to appreciate the value of time. Just one should learn to make the best use of money, should learn to make the best use of time too. It has been rightly said, time and tide wait for none. People who realize the value of time believe in action rather than procrastination. They use it to acquire knowledge and various useful skills. One paragraph I have given for practice. Write a paragraph on global warming. Well done. Keep on practicing.